Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for ROI payout. It's just my trade journal. Rule-based price action trading is what I do. And I do the analysis before I push a lot of buttons on the buy or sell. My daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And here we are, price action order flow levels, Tuesday, September 19th. And there is a news catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I believe we've got housing starts, building permits. It's not the big FOMC that's going to happen on Wednesday afternoon, but still, there's something there. On the left, I've got the E-mini. You can see here we're dwarfed on the Monday candle, green, and then Tuesday so far, because what's dwarfing these two little minor green candles is that giant Friday, September candle down. So I'm going to go into the 15-minute because this isn't really giving us enough view, in my opinion, for an intra-session day trade. I want to go down to a 15-minute. On the right, I wanted to point out on the dollar that yellow rectangle on the far right. So that is from last week, daily fair value gap, and you see currently price that is going below that and covering that fair value gap. So what we want to see is the dollar done with the rally. Are we going to close today below that yellow rectangle, key level for me to watch? So let's drop into the 15-minute benchmark and see what's happening there. The benchmark is very much on a small range, 13.5 handle range, and we're not really moving on the higher time frame chart. So I'm just dropping down into a 15-minute here, and you can see below the big levels that I'm looking at here are that thick black line below at 44.9850. That's from the daily fair value gap and August 28th, and then the new week open gap just above it at 44.99 by 99.50. And then we go to a rectangle 15-minute fair value gap here on this Tuesday Globex. So if we drop back down and test that, I'm looking at 4502.5, 4502.5 as a zone. And then above that here, I'm looking at the September 11th new week open gap zones at 4512.75 by 14. So that's it. You've got the high, you've got the low, and the lower low, and that's it. 15-minute benchmark. It was very low range. As far as Monday goes, I'm thinking the same for Tuesday. The catalyst at 8:30. We'll see what kind of pop up or down we get on that. But that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care. Aloha.